Hello, my name's Tommy Cross. I'm a landscaper based up in the Northwest. And today we're looking at the Evolution Mitre saw. This is the double bevel mitre saw. In fact, this is the R255SMS-DB Plus. So why as a tradesman do I use Evolution mitre saws? Well, they cut through a whole variety of trade materials quickly, cleanly and safely, and all using that multi-material cutting blade. Everything from steel to copper pipe to aluminium seed channel to nail embedded wood. So whatever DIY or trade materials you need to cut, the R255SMS-DB Plus is the saw to cut more. What my Evolution mitre saw will cut is a variety of different trade materials, quickly, cleanly and safely, all with the same multi-material blade. From steel bar, aluminium channel, copper pipe, nail embedded wood. So whatever the trade or DIY materials you're looking to cut, the Evolution R255SMS-DB Plus will be your one-stop shop for home cutting. And if we compare our Evolution mitre saw to the DeWalt DWS727, we've got a saw that really gives DeWalt a run for their money when it comes to features, functions, durability and performance. Oh, and there's another thing. This Evolution mitre saw is less than £300. Compared to the DeWalt, that's enough of a saving to allow you to splash out and treat yourself to an awesome mitre saw stand and still have enough left over to help with the energy bills. So why do I like Evolution power tools? It's a saw with more for less. Evolution, probably the best kept secret in power tools.